Hi guys, it's Chef Nicole and I am welcoming you guys tonight to my backyard. We are going to spend a short time together tonight just doing a really great fun little appetizer, could be lunchtime, snack. It's very simple. We have some flatbread here and I've got some gorgeous peaches that are in season right now. So I am just going to be showing you guys how to make a really simple, easy flatbread that you can serve at your next barbecue or maybe have as a quick lunch. So here we go. All I'm going to do for my flatbread is just give it a quick brush with some oil. I'm just using a nice neutral oil here. Canola is perfect for this. And then I'm just going to get it onto the grill. You can see here, I already have some going here. Oh, that one might have got a little more color than I want, but that's okay. I've got an extra one right here. I'm going to get this on, and you can see that I've got my gorgeous peaches happening on the barbecue as well. The reason that I've only cut them in half is I don't want any risk of them falling through the grates. So this is just going to help them to keep their shape and not fall through my grates while I'm barbecuing. So I'm just going to quickly show you guys. Well, I'm going to get a little bit of oil on the back of this one here so that it gets nice and crispy on both sides. Close that back down for just a minute, and I'm going to show you guys how to cut the peaches in half and get that pit out of the middle pretty easily. You're going to treat it very much like an avocado. So you're going to cut around the outside, you're going to give it a little twist, and you're going to see the pit there. And you're just going to take a little spoon, and you're going to be able to get in and around that pit and just pull that right out of there. So that way I don't lose very much flesh, and it's going to make it really easy to go on the grill without falling through my grates. I'm just going to brush it, like I said, with a little bit of neutral oil. That's why I do want to like the canola oil as opposed to like an olive oil or something. I'm not wanting to add any flavor to what I'm doing, just to help it not to stick to the grill. We're going to get these on here. I'm going to take my two flatbreads that are already done off. These guys were only on for a couple minutes aside, guys. That's what I'm talking about. It's going to be very fast. Oh, look at that. Look at that gorgeous color. So pretty. And all my peaches. Oh, they're just about done here. I'm going to turn my grill down just a little bit. It's pretty hot in here. But what a great, fresh, summery dish that you're going to be able to serve up. Along with this, while I'm just waiting for the last of my peaches to finish cooking up, I'm going to let you know what else we're going to be putting onto our flatbread pizza. I have some great ricotta cheese here. This is a great protein source, guys, so we're going to get a nice, really balanced pizza. I have some prosciutto here. Feel free to check out the vendors at the Kitchener Market to get some of this beautiful prosciutto. And here, finally, I have a little bit of spinach and arugula. I love the pepperiness that the arugula has and the spinach as well. It's very neutral flavor. I'm going to love how all these flavors are going to come together. You've got the sweetness from the peaches, the saltiness from the prosciutto, the creaminess from the ricotta cheese, the crunchiness from your flatbread. I mean, it's not missing anything, guys. And I'm just going to finish it with just a little drizzle. You've seen this on previous videos if you've been watching any of the things that I've been doing, and you can definitely get, this is the brand that I just happen to have in my cupboard, but there is a great vendor that you can find downstairs at the Kitchener Market that has a great balsamic glaze, so feel free to check them out. And I'm just going to give these guys a quick flip. They don't take very long to cook at all, as you can see. Oh, so good. I can't wait to dig into this stuff, guys. Sometimes when I cook these dishes, I'm just so excited to get to eat them that it's hard for me to even just wait to finish shooting this video for you guys before I just dig right in. So you can see that took no time at all. I'm going to pull my peaches off and I'm going to give them a slice and show you guys how to build this pizza. The peaches are off the grill. They are beautiful. I peeled off of the skin. I don't want to peel the skin off ahead of time because it's just going to help it to hold its shape on the grill. But I did peel that off just to make it a nice soft texture on the pizza. And I'm just going to give these guys a really thin slice, like as thin as I can get it, guys. I'm just going to give it so thinly sliced I'm gonna do a couple of these up. Oh, I kind of cut part of that one. I'm gonna move it out of the way so I can get some nice slices. So 1 to 1.5 peaches is probably what you're looking for each of your flatbreads, just to give you an idea of how many to make, depending on how many flatbreads you're making. And now I'm just going to show you how to build it. I have one already done that I'll show you guys at the end, but I just want to show you how simple and easy this recipe is. So this is just my ricotta. Add as much or as little as you want. This is going to help our ingredients to stick onto our pizza. Set that off to the side. I'm going to lay these nice pieces of peaches on just so that it covers the whole top. You don't have to be too fussy about where they go. And just lay them around. Oh, that looks so great, guys. Next up, I'm going to add my prosciutto. Again, I'm just going to tear it in pieces and just kind of keep it really rustic and just pile it on here. Again, it's going to add so much nice saltiness to the pizza. A summer pizza. Sounds so good, doesn't it? That looks great to me. Oh, maybe one more just because I love prosciutto. So I'm just going to get a little bit more in there. And a little tiny bit of our peppery arugula. And we can feel really good about this pizza because it's got some fresh greens on it. Get those all over here. And just kind of press it down a little bit so it gets so it stays stuck on there, especially if you're eating outside. And then I have a little bit of fresh mint. I pulled this right out of my garden before we got started here today, guys. A few fresh mint leaves. Oh, just as soon as I start to tear it apart, the smell of the mint and the freshness is in the air. And it's just delicious. If you want to, at this point, you could add a couple more nice slices of peaches on top just to really showcase those. They're in season right now. Eating in season, there's just nothing better. And then, just to finish it off, if you want, this has been outside with me while I've been at the grill. It's a little bit runny, so I'm going to very carefully just drizzle this across the top. I already had it kind of explode a little bit on me on my other one that I made for you guys. So just gonna take it a little slow there. And I'm gonna grab my kitchen towel real quick, give my hands a little wipe. And then I'm gonna cut this up and getting it onto a serving platter and show you guys how it finishes up. Here it is, the pizzas are ready. Delicious, in season peaches, ricotta cheese, the saltiness of the prosciutto, the freshness of the mint and the spicy pepperiness from the arugula is going to just make a delight to dig into. Don't forget to visit the Kitchener Market on Saturdays from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. You can find these ingredients and so much more at the Kitchener Market vendors. If you need any information on what's in season and what vendors you'll find at the Kitchener Market, head over to thekitchenermarket.ca and they'll have all the details there for you, as well as the safety protocols that are in place right now. They can't wait to welcome you back, especially food to enjoy a snack, your favorite beverage or lunch. There is seating out on the patio and you can head out there to just enjoy everything that the market has to offer. We look forward to seeing you there really soon. Have a great day.